In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use cross progression in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Intro. Now, cross progression works through your Activision account. So what you need to go ahead and do is make sure that you are signed into the same Activision account on every single platform that you were to use, such as PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net, Steam, whatever it might be, right? Essentially, to do this, you just got to pause your game, go to settings and scroll down and select account network, and in here go to Activision account specifically. Open this up and make sure that you have the exact same Activision account signed in across all of your platforms like mine is right now. As soon as you have those platform accounts linked, supported progression like your level, weapon progress, unlocks, battle pass progress is going to carry between platforms automatically. And if your progress isn't showing, just double check that you have actually linked your correct platform to the same Activision account. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.